COVID-19 heroes that were with us from the very beginning and are still with us today. You know, we went through Samaniego. It brings back so many visions and what happened, and it just I think maybe I can admit, maybe you as well, that we have a little bit of PTSD. You know, the morgues, walking through.
Yes, I'm just so proud to be able to join you all and be part of this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who work at this hospital, at UMC and at the Children's Hospital. You know, I've been in office for nearly 10 years, and one of the things that I have always been.
Thank you so much, Commissioner Stout. And a lot of people don't ever see, actually most.
You know, as I was reflecting on today and the importance of the meaning of this day and what we're celebrating, I was taken to a story that was near and dear to me, and that is my brother, around, I guess, the 20th, being very incoherent, and I said, "What's going on? You don't sound like yourself today." And he says, "Yeah, I'm feeling a little off and can't breathe and whatnot." And so, you know, it quickly became apparent that he was sick, and so I said, "We got to get you to the hospital. You know, we got to get you there now."
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
COVID-19 set all kinds of records in the U.S. this week, and none was good.
In El Paso, that's one of the state's hardest hit areas.
When I think back about the pandemic and how UMC and the whole district performed, I'm not insincere when I say that it was really absolutely amazing and commendable what everybody did.
When it was declared a pandemic, I'll never forget that day. I was actually in a meeting. I remember looking at the WHO website, the CDC website, and it was declared a pandemic based on all the cases that we had seen in different continents. At that time, we knew that everything that we had been planning for had to be implemented. As the pandemic evolved, we understood just how infectious it was. So we wanted to make absolutely sure that we had everything in place to best try to reduce the patients and our staff to get infected.
You know, I think my biggest priority, of course.
Things have taken a turn for the worst.
I never saw myself as a hero, but I did see the nurses as heroes, and the techs, the RTs, the environmental services people. They were really my heroes. So it was a superhuman effort, that what they actually had to go through in order to take care of patients during that time.
I am so proud to be working at UMC, and I am so proud of our engineers.
I don't know where to look. There's so many cameras.
Pick one.
Look straight.
Okay, here we go. Now, if we could have everybody except Judge and Jacob come forward just a little bit. You know, 2,105 healthcare workers throughout the pandemic. 1, 2, 3. Love it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, all right. Okay, you guys got it? Okay, media, you're welcome to interview some of our senior leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes. Jacob and Sydney.